Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add add-ons on Stremio so you can watch more content easily and for free. Let's get started. First, open a movie or show. Once you're inside the Stremio app, click any movie or TV show. Let's use A Night of Living Dead as an example. Then, scroll down until you see an option Show All Add-ons and click that button. And here you'll be taken on the add-ons page. Here you can choose from any and many popular add-ons like a Pirate Bay, Juan Carlos, or Pelis Plus. And to install one, simply click Install next to the add-on. You'll get a quick confirmation saying add-on installed. And once installed, click on My Add-ons to see all the add-ons you've added. And the new one appears and at the bottom of the list. And now you're ready to stream movies, shows, and more content using these new sources. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.